So when we have such a system of equation, what we are calling the simultaneous equation, we have two problems. We have two problems, and the first problem is called the endogeneity problem, and the second problem is called the identification problem. And that is what you have said here. When variables affect each other, it creates two main problems for our usual regression methods like OLS. And the problem is what you are calling the endogeneity and the identification problem. And then we start with the endogeneity problem. What do we call this endogeneity problem? So in simple terms, endogeneity is when a variable on the right side on your equation is not truly independent. It is being influenced by the left side or the equation or by other unseen factors that also affecting the outcome. So why is this problem important? Why are we studying the problem? So OLS regression assumes that explanatory variables are separate from the unmeasured factors or the error terms. When a variable is endogenous, it is mixed up with the error term. This makes OLS give you wrong and unreliable results. So in a single regression, OLS assumes that the explanatory variables are not correlated with the error term. But in structural equation modeling, some explanatory variables are endogenous. This one we have already discussed, that some explanatory variables are endogenous. This means they are influenced by other equations in the system. This means that they are correlated with the error term, which violates the OLS assumptions. And therefore, the consequences of such is that OLS estimate becomes biased or inconsistent, and we cannot trust the results or the inferences or the predictions of OLS. So that is just the wrong story, but now I want to explain this problem we are calling the endogeneity problem. Now, we said that the usual model we know is this OLS model here. This is the OLS where we have one independent and one dependent. But when we come to the simultaneous equations, we have two systems of equation 1 and equation 2. And in this equation, we have one variable which is endogenous. This endogenous variable P is found in the first equation, and it is also found in the second equation. That means the variables in the first equation, that is QD, P, Y, even the error terms, these error terms here, they affect the second equation. Yeah. At the same time, the variables in the second equation, the Q, the constant P, C, even the error terms here, they also affect the first equation. So in such a case, we say that one assumption of OLS is violated. And this assumption is that we usually say that these variables, these independent variables, they are independent of error terms. But we have seen that in simultaneous equation, because the first equation depends on the second equation, and the second equation depends on the first equation, including the error terms. That means the variables in the first equation, they are affected by the error terms in the second equation, and the variables in the second equation are affected by the error terms in the first equation. That means the variables, the independent variables, are not independent of the error terms. They are not separate from the error terms. That means that assumption of OLS is violated. Yeah, that's why we are saying the variables in the endogenous is mixed up with the error term. Yeah, and therefore that assumption that the independent variables are separate from error terms is violated. And because of that violation, we cannot use OLS. We cannot use OLS if we have such variables. Now imagine we have quantity demanded, we have price, we have output, or we have, sorry, income. Then we have this other one, quantity supplied, we have price, and we have cost. Then we use OLS to run such equations. it means that the results that we will get, they will be incorrect. That's why we are saying that in case now we have endogenous variable, we should not use OLS, or what we call the single regression model, because we have already violated one assumptions. And because we have already violated one assumptions, then the results that we will get, the inferences, the predictions that we make, they will be incorrect. They cannot be trusted. They cannot be trusted. So that is the whole explanation of the endogeneity problem. So in other words, or in a few words, it means that endogeneity problem, if we have endogenous variables in an equation, then we can no longer use OLS. We can no longer use OLS. We actually need to use the simultaneous equation. So that is the first problem, the problem of endogeneity.